What's up guys? So we have another item to unbox for today. This is one of the items that we can use for our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this item. Let's go! Yeah! This could be an alternative for your DJI transmitter mic. Look like much Lark, alright, Lark M2, widely compatible. Alright, so this should be compatible with our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And now let's go ahead and unpack it. So you just have to boom like it, do it like that, and then this is the device itself. I'm pretty sure of it, right? But let's check what other items is inside. So packaging wise, looks premium for its cheap price. Definitely a good one, but I hope the performance is good as well, of course, right? We have this box right in here, but on this part just paperworks. There you go, which no batteries, of course. What's inside is pretty much like a USB cable. All right, this one is the most important one. So this one is USB type C to lightning cable so that you can use it with the iPhone. Good job. I like the way it was packaged. Not really the premium one, but definitely nice and secured. So basically, as of right now, so that you guys would have an idea and a comparison, I'm using this mic right over here, which is a BM800, and then we'll have an audio on this one pretty soon. We get to test it with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Boom. There you go. I like it. I like the color yellow. Looks nice for its price. And if you guys are gonna look at this one, there's the USB type C charging port. We have a display in here. Quality wise, I think it's right for its price. Open it up. What we have in here is the receiver. Okay, so it's USB type C on itself already for the receiver. All right, you can see it, guys, as small as this one. This is the best part of it. Look at this one. I like, oh wow, I didn't expect it to be like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, it's as small as like a matchbox, probably, right? A matchbox is like this one. So you have here a power button, I believe, and here's the mic right over here. What else do we have? This is the charging port right over here, if I'm not mistaken. There's plastic. It's not really the premium one, but I like the packaging. I didn't expect it to be as good as this. Quality wise, this is plastic, hard plastic, and you have a clip at the back. Now let's go ahead and measure it. That's the 10 right over there, and this is how small it is. I think it's about 1 to 3 centimeter diameter. It's really small. I like it. Liking this already. You see, it's very small. It's even as big as my eyes now. So I'll try to turn it on. This is the wireless mic TX, it says there, so it's definitely a transmitter. And yeah, of course, this is the receiver. So we have 2 transmitters in here, definitely identical. So let's just remove this plastic. Okay, I know you guys like it. I'll put it in here so that we can see how it will react. Boom, look at that, guys. Really premium, right? There's an LED display to show you how battery is charging. And let's just remove the other one as well. I liked it already. Remove the plastic. I hope you guys like that. Okay, let's put another one. Let's see if it's gonna make any difference. Boom. Oh, there you go. So it's now 2. We're gonna show 2 labels in there charging. Let's go ahead and use it with the DJI Pocket. I will just go ahead and plug it in. All right, nothing else, nothing much. Let me just pull up this DJI Pocket 3. I'm gonna insert it at the back. Boom, there you go. Oh, there you go. I'm getting feedback. I'm getting signal already, so it just synced right away. Basically, we don't have the audio from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 anymore since we're using this mic. Sound check, test mic 1 2. Sound check, test mic 1 2. I'm gonna bring it forward like that. Sound check, test mic 1 2. A meter far, if you guys can see it. There you go. Sound check, test mic 1 2. A meter far from me, right? That is how it sounds like. I think there's still another feature to this camera. We still have a lot of things in there, but I like how premium it is. There is the link icon right over there. So I think it's noise canceling, right? So let's try it one more time. So we don't have any noise canceling in here. Let me go ahead and click it. Just so you guys information, I have my PC right over in here, all right, which is not really a loud sound, but it's a sound of a fan at high speed, computer fan, CPU fan. So I'll be pausing in silence, and let's see if you guys can hear it. It's just really one like this away. Noise cancelling wise, let's turn it off. And that is how it sounds like. Let's continue. I'll click on double click. 1, 2. Okay, 2 clicks to unmute, 2 clicks to mute, and then noise cancelling. Let me remove that. Okay, so once you pop it out of its cage, it automatically sync to the transmitter right over there. And I'm showing that there, actually with the Osmo Pocket 3, there's a bar on top that you would see. Let me show it to you on the camera, okay? So that you guys can see it. Sound check. Sound check. I think it's overexposed. Sound check. Sound check. So there you go. Alright, now we're back. And this is basically how small it is. This is my thumb, a little bit big as the thumb. My verdict on this one, I didn't expect it to be as quality as this. I was expecting it to be a plasticky kind of thing, but as you can see, this one seems like a glass of some sort, but still plastic, but it's a clear one. And looks like metal finish, but this is not metal at all. This is all plastic, pretty much like Lark. I want to get my hands on those Lark M2 mic as well. Right over here, 870 pesos. How much I got it for? That's right about $14. So if you like this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and if you have any question, go ahead and shoot that question on the comment section down below, and I'll see you in another video.